Pottery Studio Open House is on for this year, the first and second Saturdays of December. We missed last year because of COVID, and we're being extra careful this year. Many of the displays have been moved outside, and we'll be wearing masks whenever we're inside. Dudley's been busy for the past 2 years making some fine pottery. There's a lot of pottery, and the prices are quite low. This is a good place to do your holiday shopping. Dudley will be working on the wheel, and like always, mimosas will be served.
You know, Mr. COVID has not gone away, and we will be wearing masks when we're inside a building.
On Saturday, December 11, all sales go to Texas Public Radio. Dudley and Cindy are strong supporters of Texas Public Radio. The news and programs that TPR provides are important these days when reporting that can be trusted is critical to the well-being of our world. We hope you'll stop by for a visit.